think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow! Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too.
Bye!
Have fun! Huh? What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew. Right on time.
Hey there!
Hello!
Let's do this.
Stop right there!
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh,
I see.
Wait!
why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's Mermaid Makeover time! For you!
Whoa.
Where are we?
So cool.
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow.
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what this seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Time to wrap this up. Literally. This is taking longer than I anticipated.
Makeovers require patience, I guess.
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy.
Yay!
Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next.
I was right. Let's try it. Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… But wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it
Whoa, nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye.
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing. Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How was that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though! Let me show you! Can't imagine you without your signature front hair pieces, so I'm creating a mermaid version of those! Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome! But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these! Check it out!
Wow, I love it so much! This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit.
Huh?
Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see! Mine's gotta be golden! I think our octopus friend is happy with the results!
Oh wow, our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep. Now back to… You can't believe the treasure I found!
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face. Haha!
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies! Get out of the way! I got them all! You use pearls? I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift. Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Hunt tricks!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment. Why is this happening to me?
Wait, what's that? Hey, are you okay? What happened here? Whoa, a mermaid. Look at her. She's beautiful.
I totally heard that.
Should I kiss her? Here goes.
Well, hello, handsome. Kiss me. Wait, it was a dream? Well, that's disappointing. Ugh, legs. I was really hoping I had a fishtail. Wait, why don't I just become one? How hard can it be? I've got my pictures and my mermaid tail. Let's get to work. Wow, I really suit that. I've got some flippers. Let's try them on. The perfect fit. Now I need to tape them together. Why didn't I think of this before? I'll wrap the flippers in the tape. That's the last piece. Look at that! A mermaid tail! It doesn't really have that wow factor. What was I thinking? I have a better idea. All I need is some cardboard and a pair of scissors. A little cut here and there. Check this out. It looks good. I'm finally… Aw, come on. This is a disaster, but I'm not giving up.
Yo, what can I do for you?
I need your help.
Is that all?
This is so exciting.
Check out my latest creations. Whoa!
So this is my vision board. I want to glide through the water, but I have to shimmer.
What? But…
Got it?
These dresses are sparkly.
No! Let me simplify it. This is a girl doll, and this is a fish. Together, they make a mermaid.
Oh, I get it. I'll be right back.
So, what are we doing?
Check this out. Hold still.
I always wanted to be a muse.
I wouldn't go that far. Don't move.
Wow, you're an artist. How's it looking?
And now, my favorite part. It's time to make you shine. All we need is this super special glitter. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Sparkle, sparkle.
Wow, I don't believe it! I'm a mermaid! All my dreams are coming true!
It's gonna cost ya.
Oh, right. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, you didn't think this through, huh?
Got it! Wait right there! Here you go. It was worth every penny. Wow, this is the best day ever. But I can't wear this. I have to change. Let me think. Aha! This is what I'm looking for. My old clothes box. It's been a while since I opened it. Huh? What's this doing in here? What else have we got? This is a pile of junk. Nope. No way.
Phew. Made it. There must be an easier way to do this. But a real artist never complains. What the? Hey, lady!
Okay, I have no idea where this came from. Ooh, this is more like it. Just what I need. But something's missing. I know. I'll need some shells. I guess I'm going to the beach. I wanted to work on my tan anyway. Wow, smell that sea air. It just feels like home. This seems like a good spot. Oh, I'm supposed to be catching shells. This shouldn't take long. Yoo-hoo! Shells, where are you? Oh, I think I've got something! And it's something big! Are you kidding me? It's junk! Wait a second! There's shells in there! I hit the jackpot! These are great! I'm gonna look amazing! I better hop back home! There's no time to lose. I'll place the shells on my top. Then I'll paint them in aquatic blue. This isn't right. It's missing something. I know. Psst, Dina! What's that? Yoink! You just missed it. So I was with Kevin. Wait! Hey! Stop! Thief! The perfect crime. I can stick the pearls to the top. It just adds a little glimmer. And then I'll stick more around the shells. These little starfish are so adorable. I think it's ready. I can't wait to try it on.
Whoa, that's fabulous.
It's even better than I imagined.
You've got a natural talent, lady. Whoops, I thought I was a goner.
Huh? Who said that? Hey! Get out of here!
What? I thought we had a connection.
Beat it! Can you believe that? Some people… I can use this shower cap. I've cut a hole on the top. It's wonderful. Now I can finally relax. Ooh, look at that. La 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 la. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I can totally do that. La sha la la. Wee.
What's all the noise? Annie, stop it!
Wait, I'm finding my pitch.
My ears! That's it!
Huh? What's going on?
Phew, it's finally over. I can hear again. What?
That's a juicy apple. I needed that. That was pretty good.
You nailed it, sweetie.
I knew it. I felt like I was in the zone. Okay, gotta go.
Oh, she's gone at last. I'm glad I bought these earbuds.
What a day! Life as a mermaid is just how I imagined it. Oh, hey, Dolly. I think you need a makeover. We could be mermaid twins. You would look so good. This tail is totally your color. Wait a second. Wait right there. We need to lose these blonde locks. A quick snip and they'll be gone. You needed a new look. That is one bald head. Now I'll use a needle and thread. This is more your color. Wow, it's gorgeous. Now I'll reattach your body. So far so good. Hands up. Relax, I'm just wrapping you in aluminum foil. It'll feel nice and snug. I'll use these wooden sticks to secure the fishtail. Now I'll cover it with modeling clay. I'll shape it around your legs and tail. Next, I'll need my glue gun. I'll cover the clay with the glue. I'll apply it in a wave pattern. I want it to look like fish scales. I'll add little flicks here. Before it sets, I want to add one more thing. A little sprinkle of glitter. This'll be the finishing touch. It'll make such a difference. The green really contrasts against the blue. Now we need to get you a top. We have to hide your shame. Wow, you're the prettiest mermaid ever! I have a surprise for you! Welcome to your new home! Make yourself comfortable. I hope you like it. My work here is done. I suppose I better do my makeup. But it needs to be suitable for a mermaid. I have a great idea. I need this stocking. I'll slip it over my head. I feel like I'm about to rob a bank. Okay, I've got my makeup brush. I'll start with this blue. I'll apply it in a circular motion. I'll do it on each side of my face. Maybe I'll try a light purple. Ooh, this one's nice. I only need a light coating. I'll blend it with the blue. I can take the stocking off now. Can't wait to see how I look. Wow, it looks just like fish scales. But it can be better. I'll add glitter to it. We all need to sparkle in life. I'll stick gems to my skin. I'll be the most stylish mermaid ever. Can't forget about my eyeshadow. I'll blend the colors. I want it all to match. I'm so happy with this. A quick flick of mascara. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. I don't want to ruin all my hard work. Then I'll get my lashes looking good. What a transformation! Ooh, I almost forgot. I'll need some lipstick. I love this shade. It'll make my lips stand out. It's amazing! I'll let it dry. Then I'll give them a layer of gloss. It just gets better and better. Just look at them! So kissable. Mwah! But I'm not putting my brush down. I'll add glitter across my chest. I don't need a lot. Sometimes less is more. I can't stop looking at it. Wow, that's my makeup done. My hair could use some work. And I know just what to do. All I need is this pen. I'll run it over strands of my hair. Just like this. Who needs an expensive salon? I just hope it's waterproof. I'll take my time. I don't want to miss any spots. Now for the other side. Wow, it's so dramatic! I just love the color. I think I'm ready. I'm finally a mermaid! I feel fantastic. Huh? Someone's at the door. I better answer it. Hold on! I'm on my way! Hello?
Hey, did you order… Whoa. Hi. You're beautiful.
You really think so? That's so sweet.
Do you believe in fate?
Of course I do. Some things are just meant to be.
Just like this moment. Meh, my breath's been worse. How about a kiss?
Is this really happening? He's so cute! Kiss me! Are you kidding me? Whoa! I've got a tail? Maybe it wasn't a dream after all! Annie really made a splash with that makeover. Would you want to become a mermaid? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.